everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do my black patina. The products that I use are CJ's Flux Remover, Magic Eraser, Fine Steel Wool, Novacam Black Patina, and Mother's Cleaner Car Wax. After I finish soldering, you can see how dirty it is with all the flux. I run some warm water and I use CJ's Flux Remover to get it all nice and clean. You want to get a really good lather. Okay, nice and clean and shiny. And then immediately after washing, I take a Magic Eraser sheet and really go over the entire piece really well. After it's good and clean, I just quickly rinse it under the water one more time, no soap or anything. Now I'm just going to let it completely dry. My piece is nice and dry now, so I'm going to go ahead with some fine steel wool and just go over every solder line and all the edges. Now we are ready to apply the black patina. I'll be using Novacam Black Patina for solder and lead. Now I don't have a glove on my left hand because I'm not touching the chemical with that hand, but I have a glove on my right hand because I'll be touching the piece. And see how instantly the solder turns black? That looks really nice. And then you don't want the actual chemical sitting on the glass too long, so what you can do is either take a paper towel and just blot off any of the excess patina, which is what I do sometimes, or what I'm going to do today is just rinse it underwater for a second. Make sure you get every little spot. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this down and let it dry for like 2 or 3 hours, and then I will come back and wax it. I'm just going to go hang this up and let the wax dry. That probably usually takes like an hour or two. Or sometimes, I mean, if you want, you can just leave it overnight too. Doesn't matter.